Good morning everyone. This video is for the students of class 6. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your English grammar book. Who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework? By Carol Moore. By Carol Moore. Right? So let's begin. Students, this story is all about a young school going student who didn't want to do his homework. He only wanted to play from morning to evening, right? He hated doing his homework. He hated doing his homework. His teachers were also very much concerned in the school and they wanted him to have some interest in learning. So they used to ask him, Patrick, have some interest in learning, do your homework on time, or you won't learn a thing. But there wasn't any effect of these words on him, right? So next what happens in the story, one day he saw that his cat was there in the garden and it was playing with a little doll. He went there and took that doll away from the cat, and to his surprise he saw that it wasn't a doll, but it was a man of tiniest size, right? Who was wearing woolen shirt, breeches and a tall hat on his head. The meaning of breeches is trousers, right? So here the hat of that little man that he was wearing was just like the hat of a witch. Okay. So now here Patrick is very happy, he is very excited. Okay. He thinks that now all his problems are going to be solved, right? Now he won't have any trouble doing his homework, doing his assignments. So what that little man did, he started crying out, please help me, okay? I'll grant you a wish, I promise. So Patrick told him, okay? Patrick said to him, don't worry, I will save you from that cat. But you have to grant me a wish. Okay? I have a condition. If you agree to that, then I will leave you. Then what Patrick said to him? He said to him that I have all 35 days in my hand. After 35 days I have to appear in my final semester exams. My problem is that I don't want to do any of my homework, any of my assignments. If you promise me to do all my homework, to complete all my assignments every day, only then I can save you from the cat. So as the little man was there in a trouble, he agreed to this condition of Patrick. Okay, and then Patrick saved him. And as per his promise, now he started doing his homework every day, completing his assignments of Patrick. But the problem was that this little man was a whole trouble. That's what we may say for Patrick. Because he didn't know anything about addition, multiplication, division. Means he didn't have any knowledge about any subjects. Or you may say that he didn't know anything about human history. So this little man wanted Patrick to sit by him every time and he wanted him to help him out in everything that he was doing, right? And so while going through the homework or the assignments of Patrick, the little man, the little elf, comes across a lot of new words, or you may say the difficult words. For that he wanted Patrick to get him a dictionary, only not to get him a dictionary, but he wanted Patrick to go on looking for their meanings in the dictionary so that he can complete his homework on time. In fact, here we may say that it was not the little elf, but it was Patrick who had been doing all his homework for the last many days. Now he has started working harder than earlier. Okay, he had started working harder than earlier. Now he was going to his school every day with his eyes puffed and blurry. He was now very much tired. He was badly tired every day because he had been staying up late nights to complete his homework, to finish his home assignments. Okay, so now all 35 days are over, and as per the promise that the little man had made to Patrick, now he was free to go. So that day, what that little man did, he very slyly, or you may say very quietly, went out of his home through the back door because he was very much annoyed. He had been very much annoyed. He was very much irritated for the last 35 days there, and he wanted to leave immediately. So now the time has come for him. As per the promise, all 35 days were over. Okay, that is why now he was free to go, and that's what he did. He slipped away quietly through the back door of Patrick's house. Now Patrick, what he did, he appeared in the final semester exams in all the subjects, and the result came out after that. And what happened? He got a very good result. Okay, he was awarded A plus, or you may say A grade in all his subjects. Right? Huge effort this was of none else, but it was the effort of Patrick himself. But still, he did not know how this wonderful result came out. Okay, it was he who had done all that. All his teachers, all his classmates, they all appreciated him so much. Okay, and his parents were also full of praise. They also wondered how all this happened all of a sudden. Okay, he had no interest at all in study. He only wanted to play all his favorite game from morning to evening. Okay, so now in the last what happens in the story, now Patrick has become a model kid. He started cleaning his house himself. He started taking care of himself. He started respecting everybody. He was not a rude child in the school. Now all his classmates and other children in the neighborhood, they all wanted to be just like Patrick. Okay, this is how Patrick now developed a whole new attitude. Okay, this is how the story ends. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next video with some another lesson.